I'm going to be showing you how to make this super cool pencil pouch that you can use at school. Hey everyone, I'm Girl Satarda Akiley and you're watching DIYG. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this super cool pencil pouch that you can use at school. The project tips for this video are down below in the description box. Let's get started. So first you'll need some decorative tape, any colors of your choice. You're gonna need some scissors and an easy zip bag. So I've already got some pretty pre-cut tape. I have two different colors, but you can take your choice. So now I'm gonna start off by putting one stripe of tape directly in the middle of my bag for my design. So that way I can put on my pieces of tape from there on. So I'm actually gonna leave the tape down on the table so it can hold down my bag. I'm going to start from the bottom up with my different colors of tape so that I know where to put them. So now I'm going to flip it over and do the other side and do the exact opposite of this, except in the same form of the pattern. If you have any excess tape, just go ahead and cut it off. So now that I'm done with my awesome pencil pouch, I'm gonna decorate it with some stickers. I love putting stickers on everything. Let me know in the comments down below if you've bedazzled your pencil bag. If you have any ideas or recipes you'd like to see me do, let me know in the comments down below. And always remember, you can do it yourself, girl. Bye!